So this is my fruit picker that I made. It's just a stick with a water bottle screwed onto it with two old forks that I kind of bent and twisted. And I made it for like plums and pears and apples, but they're not growing right now. And you got to put the lid on. Right now I'm going to use it as an olive picker. So we'll see how it does. So the forks just kind of catch the stem of the plant, and then as you pull it down, it will strip off the fruit into the bottle. So we'll see how this goes. We'll try to get some of those little olives up there. I don't know if you can see them. So we got it attached, pulling it down, and we're gonna, boom. So that's how you would use it. You would just, in a hard to reach area, I'd hold it up here, grab the forks around the stem, pull it down, and then, see, and as you pull down, you collect them in there.